Haringkat kari barok kawai, kajala Meghalaya kala rakhe ka Republic Day ka bah nyo punyo, ha ka arpun real tarik kala Lincoln, ha ka ba ya ka jingrakhe ha ka nongbah Shillong, lapan long hamadan pulu, ha ka ba ulat kajala u CH Vijaya Shankar, ulakin tiyo ya kala majong kari bat shim salute na ka bentai kikinhun ki baya shim benta, ha ka jingat March Pass, ka bakin thup na dukatanat CRPF, BSF, District Executive Force East Khasi Hills, Assam Police, 1st MLP Battalion, NCC Boys and Girls, Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, Phutmuri Presbyterian Secondary School, JNV Mauplang, BDW International School, Assam Rifles Public School, Kendriya Vidyalaya Nehu, Brass Band of Meghalaya Police, Border Wing Home Guards. Ha kani ka program ulat ula IT ka khosnam utirot Singh Award arja arpunrio halor ka jingno senyang syakatho katar sha Dr. Kinpham Singh Nongkinri ka khosnam patogan en sangma halor ka jing syakri ka imlang salang sha Father Binoy Joseph bat ukyang lang ba award arja arpunrio halor ka sports syakakong rio lang dhar. Ulat ulapan ko boromru ya unong yok khusnam Padma Shri uba haliwar uba de unong tremons ngobha na Meghalaya ubala pau khmat bha kabaya de baka jing sumar bat pennek pensa i ki jing kieng ding jri ki bahar pateng hakas nong siet hakathan sora kabala penroy shibun ya kakam jungok kai pertai. Hakani ka program lapan benaru ya ka khusnam President's Medal for Distinguished Service PSM Shaka Jubi Gabil Momin DIG Police Medal for Meritorious Service Shah Bashan Borlang J Lalu Commandant Bat Babu Chow Sinha Sub Inspector. Kladon ru ke jingpen iya kitablo da kitanan rekam sorkar beper hakabaya ka nam Best Tablo layo ra da Directorate of Mineral Resources haga kerdan ka Beningkong Tourism Department ka Baar but District Rural Development Agency DRDA haga kerdan ka Balai. Haka jingat March Pass ka Phutmuri Presbyterian High Secondary School Shillong kalawan haga kerdan ka Beningkong katba ka BDW International School kalawan haga kerdan ka Baar bat ka Assam Rifles Public School haga kerdan ka Balai. Kiwaipat ki program ki kinthop ki jingruai bala shimbenta da ka Infinity Choir bat ka Nongra Presbyterian Secondary School. Ya ki khusnam sha ki nongjob haga jingpen it tablo bat March Pass lasam da usumbut menteri rangba ka jela uba snya balang dhar.
Ladies and gentlemen, arriving at the saluting tires to take the salute is the Parade Commander, Shri Murki Sujian, followed by the second in command, Rajati Sangma of the Meghalaya Police. Taking the salute now is the contingent of the Border Security Force, led by Sub-Inspector Rahul Suvedi, is the 67th Battalion of the CRPF, contingent led by Inspector Arvind Yadav. Taking the salute now is the District Executive Force of the Meghalaya Police, led by ABSI Norbert N. Rinklem. Taking the salute now is the contingent of the Assam Police, led by ABSI Bijoy Mile. Taking the salute now is the contingent of the 1st MLP Battalion, led by ABSI Sandeep R. Marak. Taking the salute now is the NCC Girls contingent led by Senior Under Officer Afshara Thakuri. Ladies and gentlemen, arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is the contingent secondary school led by
to salute the unwavering dedication and sacrifice of our armed forces. Paramilitary forces and Meghalaya police. During the last year, The overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. Meghalaya is the second fastest growing state in India after Tamil Nadu. The government is committed to increase the citizen services available under the Meghalaya Right to Public Service Act 2020. Currently, 212 services across the various government departments have been notified under this act, with over 150 services available online. To ensure last mile delivery of the government services, the state has created a dedicated cadre of village daughter volunteers. Over 1,300 village daughter volunteers extend the reach of the government by providing doorstep support to the citizen. Meghalaya has secured third rank in the complaints reduction and deregulation, successfully completing and implementing all the 23 priority areas. To strengthen governance infrastructure, major projects are underway, including new Meghalaya Secretariat, around 3,500 kilometers of roads under PMJSY, covering more than 280 eligible habitation, which were previously uncovered. Undertaking proactive measures to expand air connectivity, strengthening links, and opening new avenues for growth. For expansion of the Umrai airport runway, the government has purchased 22 acres of land. After the signing of MOU, steps have been taken to operationalize Baljek Airport in Tura, signaling a new phase of regional air mobility. To enhance the urban life and transform our cities into more sustainable and dynamic spaces, the government launched a series of initiatives last year. Recently, 487 vendors were successfully relocated to the Mura shopping complex, and vendors were provided with dedicated kiosks and 20,000 rupees in relocating support. Initiatives to strengthen urban infrastructure across Shillong, Tura and Jawai are progressing rapidly. The government is committed to attract private sector investment through the public-private partnership model to promote growth and provide employment to the youth. The government is committed to providing housing for all. Since the launch of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, the state has constructed 1,55,000 houses under the scheme. Today, clean drinking water under the Jal Jeevan Mission is provided to over 5,37,000 households, achieving 83% coverage, which is above the national average, attracting 16 lakh visitors in 2024, a 33% increase from the pre-COVID figure of the 12 lakh, with the tourist numbers projected to reach 20 lakh by 2028. Shillong is increasingly being recognized as the emerging hub of the IT sector in northeastern region. We are proud to have hosted the first regional AI summit organized by India AI. Meghalaya's development journey is deeply rooted in the primary sector, where agriculture sustains families by fueling economy, resilience, and long-term prosperity. Over the first 5 years, agriculture contribution to the state's gross state domestic product has doubled, reflecting sustained public investments and focused policy interventions.